Hi everyone, my name is Nur Angelica binti Nur Azimi. I'm here to share with you guys on this particular subject called Technical Mathematics. There are three components under this Technical Mathematics. However, I have chosen a specific component under integration, which is integrating products and quotients. For your information, under integrating products and quotient, it has been subdivided into three subtopics called substitution method, integration by parts, and integration by partial fractions. But today, I would like to touch on specifically on integration by parts. Here is the given formula. Integral fx g prime x dx equal to fx dx minus integral f prime x gx dx, or integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Before we proceed with the next example, I would like to share with you guys the reference that will appear in each example. The reference are LEPAD. L stands for logarithm, P polynomial, E exponential, T trigonometry. On no circumstances, there will always be a pair of reference in each equation. For example, either polynomial and exponential or logarithm and trigonometry. In this example 1, how would you differentiate between u and dv? You have to refer back to the LEPAD reference to identify which category the most top, which is u, and the most bottom will be dv. For this example is integral 3x e power of x dx. First, we should know that 3x is the category of polynomial, while e power of x is category of exponential. As we can see from the LEPAD reference, the polynomial is the top one and the bottom will be exponential. So it will be the value of u, and e power of x will be dv. And the answer will be u equal to 3x dv equal to e power of x. Then we must differentiate u to find the value of du and integrate dv for the value of v, and it will be du equal to 3 dx v equal to e power of x. After we got all the information, we need to enter the value with formula given. So it will be 3x e power of x minus integral e power of x3 dx. Then what should we do for the next step is we must integrate the value of v and du. So the last answer will be 3x e power of x minus e power of x3 plus c. The front equation will still be the same until the last answer. Next example is integral x cos 3x dx. Like I said, we need to find the value of u, du, dv, v first. So u equal to x, du equal to 1 dx, dv equal to cos 3x, v equal to sin 3x over 3. After that, we must enter the information into formula given and integrate the v du equation. For the last answer will be x sin 3x over x plus cos 3x over 9 plus c. For the conclusion is, in this topic integration by parts, I explained that the formula are easy to understand and can apply to any equation of integration by parts. Before finding the answer, you need to know the value of u and dv using the LEPAD formula given. Next, you need to differentiate the value of u and integrate the value of dv. Finally, just enter it through the formula and solve it as you wish. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.